Everyone, this is Rila Sai Krishna from Vishnu. Today we are going to discuss the interview questions which are asked in interviews about Node.js. Here we can see the first question. Actually, what is Node.js and how it differs from other server-side technologies like does Apache or PHP? Come to the answer to this question. Node.js is a runtime environment that allows you to run JavaScript on the server side using the V8 engine. Means if we write any code, actually we need to run some specific environment like Chrome. Node.js is helpful to run the JavaScript code without using Chrome. That's the special thing about Node.js, and it is also like unlike Apache or PHP, which use a multi-thread approach, and also Node.js is single thread and event driven, like making it highly efficient for handling asynchronous operations and real-time applications. This is about the first question in interviews. And when coming to second question, what is callback function in Node.js and why are they commonly used in asynchronous programming? If we see the answer, a callback function is a function passed as an argument to another function which gets executed later, which means callback function is the actual function which passes an argument to another function which gets executed later. After passing the argument to the another function, it will execute it. There are commonly used in asynchronous programming to handle operations like file reading, database queries, and API requests without blocking the execution of the rest of the code. This is about the callback function in Node.js. Come to third question. What is the purpose of package.json file in Node.js project? And can we explain the key properties found in this file? Yes, the packages JSON file is used to manage the JSON project metadata and dependencies. Key projects include like it will includes name, version, project name, and version. Dependencies like requests, list required packages for the projects, and dev dependencies list packages needed for development. And it also includes scripts, custom commands to run scripts like start and test. This is about the purpose of packages.json file in Node.js. And coming to fourth question, explain the difference between require and import statements in Node.js. When and why would you use one over the other? Require is used in command common JS modules, while import is used in ES6 module. Use required is older Node.js version or when working with common JS means actually the required is older Node.js one. Now commonly the we are using the import statement. We use import when working with modern A6 plus modules for better support in front end and full stack applications. And coming to fifth question, what is middleware in context of Express.js? Can you give an example of how you would use middleware in an Express applications? And coming to the answer, middleware function is an Express.js or function that executes during the request response cycle. For example, if we take this constant express request express constant app equals express middle, and this is the middleware function. The middleware logs incoming requests before handling them. And coming to sixth question, what is the RESTful API and how can we create one using Node.js and Express.js? Explain the main HTTP methods using in RESTful. RESTful APIs. RESTful API follows REST representational state transfer principle using HTTP methods to interact with resources. HTTP methods get, post, put, delete. These are the HTTP methods, and this is the example which I have given here. When coming to sound question, what is the purpose of the Node Package Manager (npm) and how do you use it in manage dependencies in Node.js project? npm is a package Node Package Manager that allows you to install, update, and manage JavaScript packages. To install a project, we have to include in our command npm init y to install a package, npm install express to install a development only dependency, npm install node mode save dev. And comment the eighth question, why it is important to hash passwords in web applications. Hashing ensures that passwords are stored securely and cannot be easily retrieved if database is compromised. Example, password hashing uses decrypt. This is the this makes it difficult for attackers to retrieve original password even if they access the database. And this is about the importance of hash passwords in web applications. Actually, it makes difficult to attackers. Hash passwords are used to make it difficult for the attackers to retrieve original passwords even if they access the database. This is about the hash passwords. This is all about the most important interview questions asked in the interviews about Node.js. That's all. Thank you.